In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to Shiba Inu on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange your Caribbean Sea portfolio, allowing you to expand your cryptocurrency portfolio. To begin, log in to your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Trade section located in the main menu at the top of the page. Here, you have two options. Select Convert for a quick swap, or search for the SHIB/USDT trading pair in the spot trading interface. Before proceeding, ensure that you have sufficient USDT available in your spot wallet. Staying within the trading interface is essential for a smooth conversion process. Next, choose USDT as the asset you want to convert from. Then, select Shiba Inu, often abbreviated as SHIB, as the asset you wish to receive. In the designated input field, enter the amount of USDT you plan to use for this purchase. After entering the amount, take a moment to preview the conversion rate displayed on the screen. This rate indicates how much SH you will receive based on the current market conditions. After confirming the amount, look for a confirmation button to finalize the transaction. You will see a countdown timer indicating that you have a limited time to confirm the conversion. Binance will process the conversion instantly once you confirm, allowing for swift transactions. It is important to note that the conversion rate may vary slightly during this period, depending on market fluctuations. Once the transaction is confirmed, check your spot wallet to verify that your SHIB balance has been updated accordingly. This confirmation ensures that the conversion has been successful. Additionally, you can view the transaction details in your trading history, which provides a record of your recent activity and can be useful for tracking your investments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.